Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The Shepherd Hardware 4-inch Move It 9283 steel tri-dolly with a 200 lb load capacity is a reliable and versatile tool designed to make moving heavy items a breeze. Made by Shepherd Hardware, a trusted brand in the industry, this tri-dolly is built to last, featuring high-quality polyolefin material that ensures durability and long-lasting performance. With its 4-inch size and sturdy steel construction, this tri-dolly can effortlessly transport items weighing up to 200 pounds, making it ideal for a wide range of moving tasks. The black color and sleek design add a touch of sophistication to its functionality, making it a practical and aesthetically pleasing tool for both home and professional use. Weighing only 0.16 kilograms, this tri-dolly is lightweight and easy to maneuver, allowing for smooth and efficient transportation of heavy objects.
The Moen Donner Collection, chrome 6.25-inch diameter wall. Mount Contemporary Bathroom Hand Towel Ring is a sleek and modern addition to any bathroom space. Crafted from durable zinc material and finished in a stylish chrome finish, this hand towel ring offers both quality and style in one package. Measuring at 7.25 inches in length, 6 inches in width, and 2.5 inches in height. This hand towel ring has a contemporary design that fits well with various bathroom decor styles. The chrome finish not only adds a touch of elegance but also ensures easy maintenance by resisting water spots and fingerprints. As a product from the reputable brand Moen, you can trust in the quality and durability of this hand towel ring. The wall mount installation type makes it easy to set up, providing a sturdy and reliable place to hang your hand towels. Weighing only 1.6 ounces, the Moen Donner Collection Chrome Hand Towel Ring is lightweight yet robust enough to hold your towels securely.
The Ovente Electric Immersion Hand Blender is a versatile kitchen tool that brings convenience and efficiency to your cooking experience. With its 300-watt motor, this hand blender offers impressive blending power suitable for a wide range of recipes. One of the standout features of this hand blender is its 2-speed settings, allowing you to customize the blending experience based on your specific needs. Whether you need a gentle mix or a more vigorous blend, this blender can accommodate various textures with ease. The sleek black design of the Ovente hand blender adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen space. Its slim stick design and compact dimensions of 2.5D into 2.5W into 14.8H make it easy to store and handle, ensuring that it doesn't take up much space on your countertop.
The Entree Pasta Maker Attachment 3-in-1 set for KitchenAid stand mixers is a versatile addition to any kitchen. This attachment, designed by Entree, is built with quality and convenience in mind. Made from high-grade plastic and featuring stainless steel blades, this pasta maker ensures durability and efficient performance. The set comes in a clean and classic white color, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Weighing 3.5 pounds and with dimensions of 8.26 L into 6.69, W into 2.16, H, it is compact and easy to store when not in use. Featuring 8 adjustable settings, this pasta maker allows you to choose the thickness of your pasta sheets according to your preference. Whether you're craving a hearty fettuccine or delicate angel hair pasta, this attachment has you covered. The manual operation mode gives you full control over the pasta making process, letting you create authentic Italian dishes with ease. For convenient cleanup, the set includes a cleaning brush.
The Dezen Hot Pot. Electric upgraded is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance suitable for diverse cooking needs. From preparing soups, stews, to noodles, this product excels in functionality and durability. Featuring a 1.58 quarts capacity, this electric pot is perfect for small to medium-sized meal preparations. The non-stick material ensures easy cleaning and maintenance, while the matte finish gives a sleek and modern look to your kitchen space. With product dimensions of 4.02D into 13.98 W into 7.28H, the Dezen Hot Pot Electric Upgraded is compact and space-saving, ideal for kitchens with limited countertop space. The 600 watts power wattage ensures rapid heating for quick and efficient cooking. The touch control method and hand controller type offer ease of operation, making it user-friendly for individuals of all cooking skill levels. The unique purple color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. In conclusion, the Dezen Hot Pot Electric Upgraded is a reliable,